Today we're going to talk about why the EX4 drone was not the right drone for our channel. I'm working with the place we bought this from to send it back for a refund. So stay tuned and I'll talk to you about all the issues we had with this drone. So this drone is a great drone for someone that wants to learn how to fly a drone. It comes with 2 batteries, a remote. It's actually a pretty nice little drone here. You know, I don't know, it's probably about 8 inches by, it's about 8 by 8 really. And it fits in this case it comes with. It all looks real nice. But the issue I had with it is that the video quality isn't good enough for what we need for our channel here. The packaging says that it's 4K. Well, as I looked into it, that's just for the 4K camera. The video records in 1080, and we need something that is going to look real good for our viewers, you guys, to be able to enjoy the footage we get when we do all of our drone footage that we're going to do this summer. We're going to do some top secret stuff I can't talk about just yet, but maybe I'll hint later on this spring as to what we're going to do. But I was looking for a drone that was reasonable. This came in under 200 bucks. So I thought we would try it and see how the footage turned out. I was like, well, maybe 1080 would be good enough. But I just don't think it's going to cut it for us, for what we need. The other thing I noticed is that there's a good app that comes with it, but it's just not quite up to that DJI status. Like, their systems are just so much better than this. I would bring the drone up off the ground. I did about 4 flights with this drone, and it wants to start doing what they call a toilet bowl. If you're not familiar with drones, the drone will come up as you start doing it, and it will start kind of making a circle. And that kind of feeling makes me just kind of feel like it's out of control. I've flown a few drones in the past, and they just don't have that problem like this one does. I don't know if it's the app or it's the GPS or what exactly it is, but that made me feel like I need to spend extra money to upgrade to a better drone, which I was hoping we could get away with 200 bucks. I was like, hey, we'll try it. Yeah, it's not going to work. So we're probably going to be looking for something that's more in the, double this price, the $400 to $500, because I want something that's going to be good quality video. That's the number one thing. If I was just taking stills, that would be fine for a 4K camera. I would just use it to take stills. But still, the way the drone was acting, and I just wasn't comfortable with the way it was flying. So we're going to exchange it, or actually we're just going to return it, and we'll wait and do a little bit more research. I did a lot of research in the beginning and thought that this drone would be good enough, but it's just not. So just keep that in mind when you're looking for a drone. Read the reviews. I thought I read a lot of reviews, but still was just not up to our standards. So stay tuned and we'll show you what drone we end up picking in the future. Thanks for watching our channel, and we'll have more outdoor videos coming up in the next couple weeks. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.